All right, folks, let's come. Well, right now, actually, yeah, a Jamaican-born chef is sharing his finger-licking oxtail recipe. Anthony Higgins joins us from Florida. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good
How are
morning.
you doing this
Oh,
morning, chef?
I am fine.
Excellent. How long have you been away?
A number of years. I leave Jamaica from 1989,
Long
but
time.
I was in Cayman for 24 years, so I'm in Florida about 10 years now.
Wow. And have you been chefing it up all that time?
Oh yes, I've been cooking from I was 8 year old.
What? Okay, so
Yes,
now you are the chef for Caribbean Eats in Florida.
yes,
And oxtail is a huge favorite among our people, our diasporans. I wonder if
yes.
it's popular with the foreigners as well, or the
Yes,
local.
yes, yes, because some people I remember at my church, the pastor about 4 years ago, before he actually get to try oxtail, I cook like February, every February. They have a church dinner, so I introduced oxtail, and surprising that was the first time some people were trying it.
Some Jamaican people?
No,
Oh, some
there's
of the Floridians. Floridians.
um, yes, Americans.
Let me ask you, chef, what is it that they love? I mean, you're also a butcher, so you know what the meat looks like before you prepare it.
Yes.
There's been recent discussion, like in last week or so, somebody posted a picture of what the tail actually looks like before you strip it and cut it up, and people were like, "Oh my God, I can't believe this is what I'm eating." But do folks have an appreciation of what it is that they're really eating when they say oxtail?
Okay. It's just another part of the cow, and it's a special part. It have a special taste. Sometimes you don't have to really cook it with a lot of season to get the flavor from it because it have its own flavor. Um, it's just that that section a lot of people didn't notice until lately. Some people start to find out that it is so tasty. So that's it's in a big demand now because there's a lot of Jamaican understanding China cooking oxtail down there. So most of the oxtail is going to China now.
What? China,
Yes, so
Dubai, everywhere that Jamaicans
yeah,
are. Oxtail,
that's
but
why it gets so expensive.
that's what I was just going to say. So my family have a Caribbean restaurant in the States, and I know the price of oxtail is one of the things the customers say, my gosh, it's so expensive. But it's really about supply and demand, right?
Yes,
Right.
yes.
So it's hard to get, so the price is going to be more expensive.
Yes, it's a new thing for a lot of people, and because so many people want to try it, because out of 10 people come in the restaurant, maybe 7 want to try the oxtail.
So a plate of
So
oxtail now, chef, at your restaurant could sell for what? $20? $25?
well, we at a low price now at $18 plus tax. I
Wow.
think that's the lowest you can get it around the state right now.
Wow. And so tell me what it is that makes oxtail as good as it can get in terms of the seasoning. You say it don't need a lot of seasoning, but I find that if you don't put a lot of seasoning in there, it have a kind of rawish
Okay,
kind of. So tell me how you
okay,
best prepare it to get the best color, the best flavor, the best taste.
all right. I have a flat grill that I after seasoning. With my garlic is the main season. After seasoning, I have a flat grill that I burn it and tumble it on the flat grill. Yeah, for there you go for
Oh, my God, that looks
maybe
good.
10 minutes or so, and then to the pressure pot, and I make sure it's not over pressure. Pressure it really slow. Don't pressure it too fast. And then from the pressure pot, I have another pot with my onions and my bell pepper and everything, and then to that, and then that's the finishing touch for it.
And what is the
So I
oxtail without
don't.
a broad bean, right?
Yes, 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 a lot. And your butter bean and bell peppers and so forth. but I don't just season and go to the pressure pot. I have to tumble it on my flat grill first.
On the grill. That's an interesting interjection.
Yes.
So second to oxtail would be what? So you say people love the oxtail. What else are they asking for? Is it goat?
They love the jerk chicken and goat, and I notice they have a crave for curry lamb right now. So
curry lamb?
Oh yes,
what
sweetheart.
What is saying to me?
Yes.
That's interesting. Wow.
Curry lamb is good, and curry lamb shank. All those are good stuff. So some new stuff that people don't know.
Well, we know now. So people are going to be coming and asking for it. Where is the restaurant that you chef at, chef?
It's 2851 Enterprise Road, Deltona, Florida. It's a border between DeBerry and Iron City.
Okay.
I have one of the car there. I don't know if you can.
I don't know if we have a picture of it up now.
Yes.
I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Right.
Yes.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Appreciate it, Chef. Thank you so much. Anybody you want to say hello to before we leave?
Yes, I want to big up my daughter in Portmore, Sharnette Higgins Clark, and my grandson. And I know they're gonna be. They didn't expect this, so when they look on this morning, they're gonna say, "Wait, Daddy didn't tell me."
You didn't tell them?
They didn't know. They have an idea, but they didn't know when we were going to do it. Yes. Okay.
Well, they can watch it back over and over on one spot, and they can watch it later on tonight when it re-airs on TVJ, or they can watch it on RE at what time, Lisa? 10 or 11 o'clock. They have enough opportunity to watch it again, so you can't hide, Chef. Thank you so much. 10?
Thank you. Thank you, Simone, and you have a lovely day.
Thank you so much, Chef. Appreciate it, and keep warm. We know it's going to be chilly in Florida over the weekend, so
yeah, we have plenty of soup, plenty soup.
Of course. So you're insulated. You're good to go. Chef and owner of Caribbean Eats in Florida, Anthony Higgins. Thanks, Chef. We're picking a chance after the break in our fun stop. So come back for that, please.